There are numerous items accessible to women's sun hats. Each with various qualities, advantages, and costs. To help you make an informed decision, I did a broad examination, read lots of surveys, and gathered a rundown of the best women's sun hats from legitimate brands. After much exploration, I found these items much more supportive for individuals like you. If you have any desire to be aware of the cost and other data, make certain to actually take a look at my description, so immediately we should hop into the video. Number 1. Toppers Women's Men's Sun Hat. This gardening hats for women provides UPF 50+ UV protection from sun rays by covering your eyes, face and neck with neck flap and white brim, helps you stay cool as you enjoy your outdoor activities in the sun. The fishing hiking sun hat can be folded in half or roll up, easily carried everywhere you go. With a portable and lightweight design, you can easily fold this top up and fit it into any purse, backpack, or carry bag. The beach sun hat with an adjustable chin strap for fixing the sun hat, especially in windy days. Water-repellent polyester material could prevent rainwater from seeping into your head. 3 options. One designed for women with lovely bow knot straps and ponytail hole, hat 20 to 23 inch, brim 4.9 inch. One designed for men and women, with elastic drawstring behind the camping hat, hat 20 to 23 inch, brim 4 inch. One also designed for men and women, with face and neck flap. Flaps are removable, hat 22-23 inch, brim 4 inch. The woman men's sun hat is a perfect hat for beach, pool, fishing, hiking, camping, travel tourism, gardening, golf, tennis, picnicking at the park, or any outdoor sports and activities. Number 2. Gear Top Wide Brim Sun Hat. Fishing hat with UPF 50+ protection that's tested and proven to keep you safe from harmful UVB rays. Keep your head cool and ventilated even on the hottest and most humid days. With a breathable mesh, keep your noggin dry and reduce sweat buildup. A versatile hat that's great for fishing, going for an adventure walk, or spending an afternoon gardening. Our hats will keep your head and face protected. Adjustable drawstring closure ensures your cap stays on without moving. With reliable protection, you can trust these high-quality hats for sun protection. Lightweight and portable, you can easily fold and fit it into any purse, backpack, or carry bag. Quick drying means that even if this hat were to go with you for a swim, leave it in the sun for a minute or two and it will be dry in no time. Designed for the outdoors, enjoy the elements without a worry with this quick-drying, windproof and breathable chapeau. Number 3. Ordinado Women's Sun Hat. The top of the men's sun hat is completely soft and collapsible. Pack the waterproof sun hats in your suitcase flat, and then when hiking, the women's floppy beach hat folded in half nicely and tucked into your backpack, without adding almost any extra weight. The men's beach hat weight just 0.24 pounds closure. The mesh part of the women's cooling hat will definitely keep you cool, even on the hottest and most humid days. Perfect for beach, pool, park, camping, hiking, tourism, gardening, or any outdoor sports and activities. High crown with wide, floppy rims, practical for protection from sun's glare. High quality and 100% satisfaction with a money-back guarantee. If you are not satisfied with the camping hat, please contact us. We will provide you with a satisfying service. Number 4. Furtick Women's Beach Sun Straw Hat. Women's sun hat is made of material high-quality paper straw, and a removable chin strap, held to hold your hat in windy days. This summer beach sun hat with high-up sun protection. Wide brim with width 3.15 inch for adult size. Great sun blocker for you in hot summer. This wide brim UV sun hat with a narrow bow knot around the straw hat crown make the hat more chic. The sweatband inside the hat is to keep you cool all the time, and ribbon inside the hat can be adjusted for different head size. These beach hats are adjustable inside for a good fit and comfortable. 2 size, and 2 kinds of brim available for adult, with head size medium 21.8 to 22.4 inch, and large 22.4 to 23 inch. This sun hat is foldable and packable for travel and vacation, perfect for beachwear, fishing and hiking, etc. We put a lot of time and efforts to develop the products for years. We have become experts at hats and scarves, made with outstanding raw materials in a trendy way. We believe that you will feel the difference once you get our hats and scarves. If you are looking for a hat to match your scarf, here we offer a lot for your choices. Number 5. Columbia Unisex Adult Board Boonie. UV protection at its best. Omni-shade materials block UV and UVB rays to help prevent sunburns and long-term skin damage. The tight weave construction offers lasting sun protection against a full spectrum of sunshine. The ultimate moisture-wicking technology for the outdoors. OmniWick quickly moves moisture from the skin into the fabric, where it spreads across the surface to quickly evaporate for a dry fit that keeps you cool and comfortable. This sun hat features built-in UPF 50 shielding, an ultra-sweat-wicking headband, and a mesh vent panel for those hot outdoor days. A high-performance hat that features a full 3-brim, equipped with an adjustable drawcord and toggle size adjustment at the back for a perfect fit. Columbia's attention to detail is what sets our apparel apart. Specifying only the highest quality materials, expert stitching and craftsmanship. This is a long-lasting hat you will enjoy for seasons to come.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, to check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.